Good morning once again to all. So we have been discussing model paper 2 for term 1, and as I have been telling you that for term 1 question paper there will be 3 sections. Section A consisting of MCQs, one statement will be there, 4 alternatives will be there. You have to select a right one, and 24 questions will be there. You have to answer only 20. So avoid the difficult ones, answer the ones that you are comfortable. Section B that we are discussing today consists of A and R type of MCQs. A means assertion, R means reasoning. Here you need a little bit of logic. You have to apply understanding as well as logic. Again, 24 questions will be there in this. You need to attempt 20. And section C, it is case based MCQ. One paragraph will be there about a concept. Down the paragraph you will have MCQs, so you need to answer that. And sometimes instead of paragraph, one diagram will be there, and labeling will be in the form of A, B, C. Questions will be on functionality of those labeling. And that is the reason why I have been telling you practice diagrams, understand the concept as well as the function of each label, significance of each label. Okay, right. With that in background, we go straight to question number 25. Keep a paper and pen with you or a pencil and start writing the answers. So question 25, first statement, assertion A. The higher the turnover number, the more efficient an enzyme is. Yesterday we were talking of turnover number with reference to enzyme activity, enzymatic activity. Now reason, it is not dependent upon the number of active sites present over an enzyme. We said every enzyme on its surface will have a active site wherein the reactions will take place. So we have assertion as well as reasoning. Now the alternatives. A. Both assertion and reason are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. So in your booklet or in your answer sheet, you just write model paper 2, section B, put 25, question number 25, and answer you write in the form of alphabets like 25, B, C, like that. Don't write the answer in the form of a sentence, just put the alphabet. Now question number 26, assertion A. Radioactive tracers are used to detect tumors. Here tumors, we are talking of cancer. Before cancer formation, a tissue will be formed which has got uncontrollable growth, that's called tumor. And reason, tracers locate such tissues. Now alternatives. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Question 27, assertion. Prokaryotic cells have centrioles. Centrioles, we were talking about the functions of centrioles in cell, the unit of life, cell organelles, remember? Prokaryotic, primitive, carry on, nucleus. Organisms that do not have well-defined nucleus are called prokaryotes. Next, reason, centriole is not a membrane-bound organelle. Alternatives. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Clue for this is membrane bound. That is the clue. Based on that, you answer the question. Next, we move on to question number 28. Sargassum forms propagules for multiplication. Recollect vegetative propagation. Reason: propagules are special adventitious branches. A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. We move on to question number 29. The alimentary canal is absent in A. Fasciola hepatica, Tinea solium, and cyclostoma ascarisum. Now, alimentary canal, digestive system. In which animal digestive system is absent? Now he is giving biological names or scientific names, right? Like Tinea solium, Fasciola. These are all biological names. Next, we move on to question number 30. Which part is responsible for the growth of roots? A. Region of meristematic activity. Both region of meristematic activity as well as region of elongation. And C. Root cap. D. Region of elongation only. So growth of roots. And it's easy one for you. Two animal cells are interconnected by plasmodesmata, desmosomes, cell wall, and plasma membrane. Now move on to 32. Number of fatty acid residues found in one molecule of fat. Fatty acid. You know, fats are made up of fatty acid and glycerol. So he is asking number of fatty acid residues. Left out ones. A1, B2, C4, D3. Next, we move on to question number 33. The number of species that are known and described is A. 2.4 million, 2 to 4 million, B. 1.7 to 1.8 million, C. 5,000 to 10,000, D. 5 to 30 million number of species known. Next, 34. The bacterial flagellum consists of A. Filament, hook and basal body, B. Filament, pili, basal body, C. Filament, hook and fimbriae, and D. Filament, basal body and pili. So here structure, anatomy of flagellum we are talking. Question 35. Which is the main habitat of algae? Habitat, place of living. A. Water, B. Moist soil, C. Underground, D. Dry cell. Move on to 36. Choose the odd one. choose the odd one out, means pick out the odd one out. Roundworm, hookworm, filarial worm, earthworm. Now all are worms, but you have to pick out the wrong ones or the odd man out. Clue is someone is inside, someone is outside. That is the clue. Question number 37. The placenta is attached to the developing seed. The placenta is attached to the developing seed near the placenta, tube-like structure that is connecting mother and the baby is a tube. So we are all called placental animals, right? A. Hilum, B. Micropyle, C. Chalaja, D. Testa. Here we are talking of placenta of the plants because we are talking developing seed. 37. Next, 38. The special venous connection between liver and intestine as well as the kidney and lower parts of the body present in frogs is called, of course this is out of syllabus one, renal portal system, hepatic portal system, arterial system and vena cava. You can just leave it in the choice. Question 39. Which of the following is not a function of cytoskeleton in a cell? Cytoskeleton. A. Support of the organelle. Now he is asking not a function, remember. Support of the organelle. Intracellular transport. C. Maintenance of cell shape and structure. D. Cell motility. Now 40. Polysaccharide means sugar. Poly, many, saccharide, sugar, does not metabolize in the human body and used for kidney function is glucose, chitin, fructose and insulin. Does not metabolize. Okay, so you got a clue. Question 41. Which are the terms interchangeable? Interchangeable. A. Species and subspecies, taxonomy and systematics, kingdom and phylum, genes and species. Question 42. Among pea tendrils, we are tongue of pea, watani, tendrils, that spring-like structures. We have got two types, leaf tendril and stem tendril. Lemon thorn, so the spines on the lemon tree, mullu. Opuntia spines. Which one are homologous structure? Homologous, similar in structure but perform different functions, isn't it? Homologous structures. A. Pea tendrils and opuntia spines, opuntia and lemon thorn, pea tendrils and lemon thorn, all of these. Now we move on to 43. Collagen. Collagen is globular protein, fibers of structural proteins, carbohydrate, lipid. Of course, very conveniently we will remove C and D. Collagen is a protein. Now you have to decide whether it is A or B. 44. National Botanical Research Institute is situated at? Chapter 1. A. Dehradun, B. Lucknow, C. Howrah, D. Chennai. Question 45. The staining procedure is developed by Hans Christian Gram. We say gram positive, gram negative, remember? We were talking about that. B. Swan, Sleeden and Swan. C. Leeuwenhoek and D. Sleeden. Next, question 46. All seed bearing plant alternation of generation is seed bearing plants. Alternation of generation means sporophyte followed by gametophyte. In the life cycle of a plant, two dominant phases will be there, two predominant stages. One is sporophyte, wherein spores will dominate. Another is gametophyte, where gametes, male gamete, female gamete will dominate. So, is it haplodiplantic? None of these you take it last. C. Haplantic, D. Diplantic, and B you can take it as last. None of this. Now we go to 47. Now there is a column 1 and column 2. Let's match the following. And he is giving under column 1 names of phyla like A. Porifera, B. Aschelminthes, C. Annelida, D. Arthropoda, E. Echinodermata. Under column 2 he is giving characteristics, main characteristics. Canal system, water-vascular system, muscular pharynx, jointed appendages and metameres. Now when such questions are asked, what you have to do, pick up one clue. First one, like you are all familiar with Arthropoda, cockroach family, jointed appendages. So D4, just see in the D4 category first, and then you go to the next one, metamerization or water vascular system. So two phyla if you match, then remaining it will be easy for you. You can narrow down. That's how you can save time also. Right? Next, question number 48, last question in this section. The clitellum in earthworm occurs in, remember I said Chalickyaw's color, reddish brown color present on the surface of the earthworm, and it's internally also present, and it has got its significance. So in which segments it occupies? 12 to 14, 10 to 12, 13 to 15 segments, 14 to 16 segments. Metamerization we were talking now, metameres, that's segmentation. So number of segments that clitellum will be present, that is the question. Now take some 1 minute and finish all the questions. Now I will be giving answers for that. Check yourself, what is your score? So we come back to question number 25. Yeah. Ramling, shall I give the answers? Are you ready?
Yes.
Question number 26. 25. Question number 25. Answer is C. A is true but R is false. The number of substrate molecules changed per minute by a molecule or enzyme is called turnover number. The higher the turnover number, the more efficient an enzyme is. It depends upon the number of active sites present over an enzyme. Question 26. Again answer is A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Why? Radioactive traces do not stain the tissue but are able to detect the pathways through which a certain material is transported in between or within the cells. Question 27. Answer is D. A is false but R is true. Why? Prokaryotes lack membrane bound organelles but still lack centriole because centriole is found only in animal cells. Question 28. D. A is false but R is true. Sargassum exclusively multiplies by fragmentation process. Okay? So propagules will not be there. Question 29. Answer is B. Taenia solium. The alimentary canal is absent in Taenia solium. So Taenia solium is an obligate parasite and obtains digested food from the small intestine of the human being as well as pigs. So it doesn't have any alimentary canal. It picks up the digested food only from the two hosts, human beings as well as pigs. Question number 30. Answer is B. Both region of meristematic activity and region of elongation. The procambium will produce cells that make both the types of tissues. The third type of cell created in the meristematic region is the ground meristem, which will become ground tissue and help with the storage of water and nutrients for the growing plant. The next region involved in primary root growth is elongation region. Next, question number 31. D. Desmosomes. Two animal cells are interconnected by desmosomes, through which the exchange of materials takes place between two adjacent cells. It is formed from protein plaques in the cell membranes linked by filaments. So the function of desmosomes. Next, 32. Answer is D. 3. Fat consists of molecules of fatty acids and molecule of glycerin. Each molecule of fat contains 3 molecules of fatty acid and 1 molecule of glycerin. So answer is D. Next, question 33. 1.7 to 1.8 million known organisms. Each different kind of plant, animal or organism represent a species. The number of species known and described ranges between 1.7 to 1.8 billion. This refers to biodiversity or the number and types of organisms present on Earth. Hence, the correct option is B, 1.7 to 1.8 million. Question number 34. Answer is A. Filament, hook and basal body. A bacterial flagellum has 3 basic parts: filament, hook and basal body. The filament is the rigid helical structure that extends from the cell surface. Hook is flexible coupling between filament and the basal body. The basal body consists of a rod and a series of rings that anchor the flagellum to the cell wall and the cytoplasmic membrane. Remember that structure we were talking about, 9+2 arrangement, 9+0 arrangement. Okay. Next, question number 35. Water. Answer A. Most of the algae are aquatic, can be freshwater algae, chlorophyceae or marine algae, phaeophyceae, rhodophyceae. Isn't it? Next, 36. Earthworm. Earthworm belongs to phylum Annelida, whereas all other worms belong to phylum Aschelminthes. Question 37. C. Chalaja. The placenta is attached to the developing seed near the chalajal end. there are two ends, micropylar and chalajal. So attachment is chalajal end. Question 38. Renal portal system. Renal portal system forms special blood circulation system between liver and intestine. Liver and intestine. It forms a special connection between kidney and lower parts of the body present in frogs. Question 39. Answer B. Intracellular transport. So intracellular transport is not the role of cytoskeleton, because the question is not. And question 40. Of course, all of you must have answered correctly. Answer D. Insulin. Insulin is a starchy substance found in wide variety of fruits, vegetables and other herbs. And this is a polysaccharide and cannot be metabolized. And it is used for kidney function. You know the function of insulin. Diabetes, controlling of glucose in the blood. Question 41. Answer B. Taxonomy and systematics. They go hand by hand now. Characterization, identification, classification and nomenclature are the various procedures that are basic to taxonomy as well as systematics. Hence the correct option is taxonomy and systematics. Question 42. Answer A. P tendrils and Opuntia spines. Why? Both of them are homologous. So homologous structures are those structures in which they have common origin and structure but perform different functions, as I said. P tendrils and Opuntia spines are homologous structures. Same structure but perform different function. Question 43. Answer B. Fibers of structural proteins. Fibers of structural proteins. In all connective tissues except blood, cells secrete fibers of structural proteins called collagen, or one more is there, elastin. Collagen or elastin. Question number 44. Question number 44. Yeah. Lucknow. Answer B. The famous botanical gardens are in KEW in England, Indian Botanical Garden, Howrah, and National Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow. Okay. Next, question number 45. Answer is A, as I said. Hans Christian Gram. That is, the staining procedure means giving color, developed by Gram. Those that take up the Gram stain are Gram positive and others do not take the color are called Gram negative. We move on to 46th. Question number 46. Answer is D. Diplontic. In diplontic life cycle, diploid sporophyte is dominant, photosynthetic, independent phase of the plant. The gametophytic phase is represented by a single few-celled haploid gametophyte. All seed-bearing plants, that is gymnosperms and angiosperms, exhibit diplontic life cycle. Haploid, diploid. Next, question 47. Answer is C. I gave the clue now. Arthropoda, jointed appendages. Then I said metamers, annelida, earthworm, just now we were talking. Porifera, canal system. Aschelminthes, muscular appendages. Echinodermata, of course, it is famous for water vascular system. Remember when we were talking of starfish, we said famous for water vascular system. During evolution, this will lead to blood circulatory system. Now, last question, 48. Answer is D. 14, 15, 16 segments. So, these will be having that clitellum. And in the clitellum, significance of clitellum, all of you know, is having both the sex organs, male sex and female sex. Now what you have to do, out of these 24 questions, how many answers are correct? You put it in the group, in our WhatsApp group, and if you got any doubts, please raise the doubts in the group. So tomorrow's session we will take up the section C, and then all three together, section A, B, C together, you put the score. Now that this is paper 2, let us see whether there is improvement or not. Compared to sample paper 1, Pallavi should have improved in sample paper 2. Like that, I will be giving you around 10 sample papers. Okay? Each paper having 50 questions. So 10 into 50, Kamling, 500 questions. Plus, I will give some Kendriya Vidyalaya model papers. So you make a booklet when you come back to the school. And then, whenever you are having time, during your prep time, personal study time, you can go through this. Am I right? So this is how you have to do smart study. And after that, I have told you, once you get all the questions, pick up the questions that have come from chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4. Then you will understand within the chapter what are the topics that are very important, wherein you have to give a lot of focus. So this is how you have to do smart study now. Okay? Right. Keep studying. Take care. Bye.